Welcome back to NexTrader. I'm excited to share with you one of the most powerful trading strategies available on Deriv, accumulator trading. If you're new to accumulator contracts or want to master this strategy, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how accumulator trading works and how to use our advanced platform to maximize your profits while minimizing risks. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is accumulator trading? Think of it as a unique type of binary options contract where your profits literally accumulate or grow with each tick that stays within predetermined barriers. Unlike traditional rise and fall trades, accumulator contracts don't require you to predict direction. Instead, you're betting that the market price will stay within specific upper and lower boundaries for as long as possible. Here's the magic. With each tick that stays within these barriers, your potential payout grows by a fixed percentage, called the growth rate. You can choose growth rates from 1% all the way up to 5% per tick. The longer the price stays within the barriers, the more your investment grows exponentially. But here's the catch. If the price touches either the upper or lower barrier, the contract ends immediately, and you receive whatever payout has accumulated up to that point. Now, what makes our NexTrader platform special for accumulator trading? We've built the most advanced accumulator trading system available, and here's what sets us apart. First, we provide real-time contract analysis. You can see live barrier percentages, maximum ticks, risk levels, and estimated duration, all updated in real time from Deriv's API. Second, our smart pattern analysis system. This is huge. Our AI analyzes your recent contract performance and temporarily blocks trading when it detects poor performance patterns. This prevents you from trading during unfavorable streaks and protects your capital. Third, we have an intelligent recovery system. If you experience losses, our system can automatically adjust your stake amounts using proven recovery strategies to help you get back to profitability. And finally, our auto-sell protection. The system monitors market conditions in real time and can automatically sell your contracts if conditions become unfavorable, protecting you from sudden market volatility. Let me walk you through exactly how to start accumulator trading on our platform. Step 1. Switch to accumulator mode. At the top of your screen, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply turn this on to activate accumulator trading mode. Step 2. Choose your growth rate. You'll see buttons for 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, and 5%. Start with 1% or 2% as a beginner. These are lower risk and more stable. Step 3. Set your stake amount. In the trading settings panel, enter how much you want to invest per contract. Start small while you're learning. Step 4. Enable the recovery system. This is optional but highly recommended. It helps manage your trades if you experience losses. Step 5. Turn on auto trading or trade manually. You can let our AI handle the trading automatically or take manual control and place trades when you see good opportunities. Our platform will show you real-time data, including the current barriers, how many ticks each contract survives, and your profit progression. You can watch your contracts grow in real time. Let's talk about growth rates and risk management because this is crucial for your success. 1% growth rate. This is the safest option. Lower growth means wider barriers, so contracts typically last longer. Perfect for beginners and steady profits. 2% growth rate, slightly higher risk but still very manageable. Good balance between safety and profit potential. 3% growth rate, medium risk. Barriers are tighter, contracts may end sooner, but profits grow faster when they succeed. 4% and 5% growth rates, high risk, high reward. These have very tight barriers, but offer explosive profit potential for experienced traders. Here's a pro tip. Our platform shows you the exact barrier percentages for each growth rate in real time. For example, you might see plus or minus 0.06% for a 1% growth rate. This means if the price moves more than 0.06% in either direction from the entry point, your contract ends. The key is finding the right balance for your risk tolerance and market conditions. Now, let me show you the smart features that can significantly boost your profitability. Our live market analysis provides real-time market status: excellent, good, fair, or poor. This helps you decide when to trade and when to wait. The contract progression tracker shows you exactly how many ticks each recent contract survived. You can see patterns and adjust your strategy accordingly. Our pattern analysis AI is constantly monitoring your performance. If it detects that your recent contracts are performing poorly, for example, multiple contracts ending with very few ticks, it will temporarily block new trades to protect you from continued losses. The recovery system is brilliant for money management. If you have a losing trade, it can automatically increase your next stake using proven mathematical formulas to help recover your losses when you win. Auto sell protection monitors market volatility and trend changes. If conditions become unfavorable while you have an active contract, it can automatically sell to protect your profits. Here are my top tips for successful accumulator trading. Tip 1. Start with 1% or 2% growth rates. Master these before moving to higher rates. Consistency beats big risk every time. Tip 2. Pay attention to our market analysis indicators. Trade when the market status shows good or excellent. Avoid trading during poor market conditions. Tip 3. Use the pattern analysis. If the system blocks your trades due to poor patterns, listen to it. Wait for better conditions. Tip 4. Enable the recovery system, but understand it. It's not magic. It's a mathematical approach to managing losses. Don't rely on it completely. Tip 5. Watch your contract progression data. If you notice most contracts are ending very quickly, consider switching to a lower growth rate. Tip 6. Use auto sell protection, especially when you're not actively monitoring your trades. Remember, the goal is steady, consistent profits, not huge wins that risk your entire account. Let's talk about the most important aspect: risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. This is trading rule number 1, and it applies especially to accumulator trading. Set daily profit targets and loss limits. Our platform has built-in win targets and loss limits. Use them. When you hit your daily target, stop trading. When you hit your loss limit, stop and reassess. Diversify your growth rates. Don't stick to just one rate. Mix 1%, 2%, and maybe 3% to balance your risk. Monitor market conditions. Our platform shows you trend direction, RSI levels, and market recommendations. Use this data to make informed decisions. Understand that losing contracts are normal. Even with our advanced systems, not every contract will be profitable. The key is that your wins outweigh your losses over time. Keep learning and adapting. Markets change, and so should your strategy. Pay attention to the performance data our platform provides and adjust accordingly.
Let me quickly recap why our NexTrader platform gives you a massive advantage in accumulator trading. Real-time data directly from Deriv's API means you always have the most accurate information. Smart pattern analysis protects you from poor trading conditions automatically. The recovery system helps manage losses with proven mathematical strategies. Auto sell protection monitors market conditions and protects your profits. Live market analysis gives you professional-grade market insights. Contract progression tracking helps you understand and improve your performance. Both automatic and manual trading modes give you complete flexibility. All of this is designed specifically for accumulator trading success. Ready to start your accumulator trading journey? Here's what you need to do right now. First, make sure you have a Deriv account. If you don't, use our sign-up link in the description. Second, visit our NexTrader platform and connect your Deriv account. Third, switch to accumulator mode and start with small stakes and low growth rates. Fourth, enable our smart features: pattern analysis, recovery system, and auto sell protection. Fifth, start with manual trading to get a feel for how contracts behave, then consider switching to auto trading. Remember, this is a skill that improves with practice. Start small, learn from each trade, and gradually increase your stakes as you become more confident. Accumulator trading represents one of the most exciting opportunities in binary options trading today, and our NexTrader platform gives you professional-grade tools to succeed. The combination of real-time analysis, smart pattern detection, and automated risk management creates a powerful system for consistent profitability. If this tutorial helped you understand accumulator trading, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more advanced trading tutorials. Drop a comment below with your questions. I personally read every comment and will help you succeed. Ready to start? Click the link in the description to access our platform and begin your accumulator trading journey today. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.